I've got some beautiful fabrics. Beautiful, beautiful. I know I always say that, but that's because they are. I've got this first one. We're going to go to, this is a Sally LaPointe. And this is a mint or a lemon color, they called it. It's sequins. Stunning, absolutely stunning. We speculated at the store what the background was. The background fabric, I burned it, is actually 100% cotton. 100% cotton for its strength. And yet, you know, a little bit cost conscious, but cotton is just stunning. The drape is just beautiful. I'm hoping you can see the sequins and the drape this has. It's just stunning. I mean, and just a little, like a lightweight jacket, a 196, a 320. 320 would be perfect in this. A little tank and a little wrap to go with it, or any kind of blouse. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. Just excited to have this. Then this is a little Sherpa we have. I know we ran out so quickly last week, so I wanted to put this up. Mint color again. It is a match to this other from Sally LaPointe also. The Sherpa is a cotton poly. It has a knit backing. It actually has stretch to it. Not like a t-shirt, don't get me wrong, but it does have give to it. It's really a beautiful piece. Very pretty. Sherpa, this good old Sherpa. Then we have this piece. It's a graduated, or, you know, I'm trying to think of the name off the top of my head. Anyway, it graduates from one color to another. These are hard to find. You can see, I'm hoping you can see all the colors in there, but they're beautiful. It starts with a white and comes through the mint. It comes into the green. This is a cotton poly. It's a woven. There's no stretch. It's just a beautiful piece, beautiful drape. Then we have this piece. I put this in because we're almost out of the black I put up last week, and somebody had wanted a large quantity and I just didn't have it. So this is great. I'm putting this up for the cargo pant. It's perfect for the cargo pant. It is a stretch woven. It's got a little bit of stretch to it. But boy, the drape on this, it imitates like a 4-ply silk. It is not. It's a cotton poly blend, but that drape is incredible. It'd be beautiful in a pair of slacks, jacket, whatever. But it's really a pretty fabric. This is a wool cotton blend. It's lovely. It's a blue black weave to it. Just again a beautiful piece of fabric. Great drape. Really lovely piece. It's got the Sherpas all over everything right now. Then this is a French terry. It's a black. We're almost again out of that cotton that I put up last week, so I wanted you to have something to make a great cape out of. This is 100% cotton. Beautiful piece for a cape to make, or all kinds of things. I mean, of course, a cape is what I'm working on, but just lovely fabrics, and I hope you enjoy it, and mostly happy sewing.